Hi, today I'm going to show you how to build a short form video. And if you don't know what a short form video is, that is a short, under 15-second video that you're going to post on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, that sort of thing, one of those kind of platforms. And I'm going to show you how to build one of those without showing your face, without actually taking your phone and recording you. But before I get into that, if you're new to the channel, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. Okay, let's get into it. So first, I'm going to share my phone screen. Okay, so here's my phone. All right, and first thing you're going to want to do if you don't want to show your faces, you need to find videos that are royalty free, meaning you can use them for monetary gain without getting in trouble. All right, so we're going to go here and we're going to type in pexels.com. Okay, you don't have to have an account. All right, now you're going to want to say videos. Okay, and we're going to want to turn on some filters, but let's just search for something. I want to search thinking, because that kind of goes with the theme that I am doing. Now, because we're going to be doing this on a phone and because we're going to post it to social media platforms, we need to apply some filters because some of these are wide format and way too many pixels. So what you have to do is instead of all orientations, you're going to say horizontal. Okay. And then instead of all sizes, we're just going to say medium. All right, so let's look at this one. I think I might have picked the wrong. Maybe those don't look right. Is it vertical? Yes. I apologize. Vertical, not horizontal, okay? Because it's on your phone. You want it to be tall like this. So we're going to do thinking, what's this girl? Well, that's kind of cool. Gradually zooms in. I think that kind of fits the theme that I'm talking about. And she gets a little sassy. I like it. Okay, so you're going to download it. And you want the 1080 download. Download the selectable size, downloading file. Okay, it's done. Now you're going to go into CapCut. All you're going to do is you're going to use this video and you're going to post words on it that's going to promote your product, service, whatever the case may be. So we're going to go into CapCut. Let's go home. Let's go into CapCut. We're going to say new project. We're going to say this video, add, and I think it has some sound. I'm going to pick up my phone because it's easier. I do think it has some sound down here. We'll just yeah, it had some sound. So we're going to turn the sound off, okay, because we're going to pick our own music. Now, I already have my words saved on a document over here, my short form video document. Okay, this is what I'm going to say. Doop de doop de doo. That's the wrong one. This is what I wanted to say because we're imagining. Okay, copy. Give me the thing. Let's go back over here. We're going to say text. Okay, add text. All right, we're going to pop that in there. Okay, we're going to change the font because I don't like the way that one looks. We're going to do, we'll just pick something really quick here. Bear with me. I don't really want postmodern, but maybe we'll do it. No. I want something that's all caps per se. Ooh, I like that one. Okay, modern. All right. So now let's go style. Let's change the color up a little bit. Let's get a contrast good with that brown, maybe a blue. Let's go there. Highlight the words so they stand out a little bit. And then we want to change the size just a little here. And you'll notice when you start trying to drag it too far, this little box will show up. Oh, it didn't this time. But anyway, this little blue box shows up that kind of tells you, where your viewing is, because if you make it too big, some of the platforms won't be able to see it. All right. And one of the tricks I learned to see this text size, you can use that instead of your fingers to make it the way you want it to do. Now I'm going to add a canvas too. We're going to add a yellow canvas. We're going to round the corners a little bit, make it a little taller. Looks like we need to adjust the Y offset, so we're going to make that a little higher, like about right there. Now the other thing we're going to do is the opacity up here, we're going to make it see-through-ish, okay? So that's our first bubble. All right, we're going to put a check mark there. And we actually want this to go through the entire minute of the video. And we don't actually want it to be the full 17 seconds. We're only going to make it 10 seconds. So we're going to say split. Well, you got to select the video. Split. We're going to delete that rest of that portion because we only want a 10-second video. Okay. Now we're going to take this, grab the end of it here, and pull it out. And you kind of have to be slow with this part because CapCut gets a little hyper, we shall say. And then it's going to click at the end there. Okay. So imagine making your entire month's salary from a single social media post that cost you nothing to create and literally took you less than 30 minutes to record, edit, and post, which I'm doing right now, right? I took a free video. I didn't even record it. I'm not showing my face. I'm throwing my own words on there, and I'm going to make a cover, and it's going to be ready to post. It's going to be awesome, okay? So hold on. Now we're going to go grab the rest of my words, okay? You know, you want people to realize that they can actually do the same thing. It's easy, right? Just like I'm showing you. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Cool. Okay, let's come in here. We're going to, well, give it a second or two before we add the second pop-up, right? Add text. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm going to drag that down to about right there. And we're going to change it up a little bit. So we don't have to get too crazy, right? We're going to leave the same font. We're just going to go to Style. And instead of blue text, let's go with, say, pink. And instead of a yellow canvas, let's go with, I don't know, purple. Sure. The corner radiuses are there. We just need to turn the opacity down. Cool. If I can do it, so can you. Awesome. Okay. Now, we want to extend this same thing to the end of the video. Right there. Okay. We're going to go a few second or so over again. We're going to add text again, but we need to go get our text. Question is, what are you waiting for? Aha. Challenge somebody, right? Okay. So now add text. Question is, what are you waiting for? Let's go backspace so it doesn't add that extra, little space at the end there. And maybe that's what I needed to do up here. Yep, that's what I needed to do up here. Oops. Okay, so then style canvas, let's change that Y offset back to how it should be. About right there. We need to make it a little bit wider to get the rest of those words. Perfect. Okay. So back to this one. The question is, what are you waiting for? We're going to use green and blue on this one. So style, we're going to say green colored text. Oops, that was the canvas. We want the canvas to be blue. We want the text to be green. And you notice it does not look very good to have a white stroke on that. So we're going to change it to black. Taha, see what that did? Okay, now back to canvas. Make that a little more opaque. Okay, question is, what are you waiting for? Cool, check mark. All right, we're going to do the same thing. Drag that one out to the end of the video. Right there. We're going to go a little bit more. Add text. Go here, grab this text. Ask me how. Now, the reason why we're saying ask me how is because we want people to give us a comment and or private message us. We're not saying exactly how to ask me how, just ask me how. Then people need to work at a little bit higher level, figure out how they're going to ask you how. If that's going to be a comment, that's going to be find you on some other piece of social media. If they really want to do something and they really want to reach out, they'll find a way. And any way that they find will boost your video in the algorithm. So that's a really good thing to try and do, is to say, ask me how. All right. So ask me how. I'm going to put that like over here-ish. Okay. Same thing. We're going to change the style a little bit. We're going to make the text red. We're going to make the stroke white. We're going to make the canvas, so I don't know, green this time. Cool. Opacity, make that a little less in your face. Cool. All right. Ask me how. Whoa, see, like I said, sometimes when you grab it, it gets a little hyper, so you have to kind of go slow and only do a little bit at a time. Okay, there we go. That's towards the end. Cool. So now we're going to add a cool cover. Should be relatively short. we're going to say make money from videos. No, that's dumb. Your month's salary free method. Because what you're doing, actually creating a video, is free. It doesn't cost you anything to do. Now, if you have a vehicle that's going to pay you money, that's going to cost money. Somewhere in there's going to be a cost, right? It's just the way that the laws of the universe work. People that think they can try to get around that are crazy. Anybody that tells you you can do it for absolutely free is crazy. You have to provide value or service to your fellow man in order to make money. That is just the way it works. Okay? All right, let's go yellow text, stroke black. Let's say canvas red. It's corner radius a little bit. Let's make the opacity down just a little so it's not quite so loud. And we're going to make it more huge like that. Make your month's salary, free method. Cool. People are going to want to maybe click on that, right? All right, now, cool part. We're almost done. Go down here, click audio, sounds. This is already connected to TikTok. You don't actually need to click the login button. You just pick something. We're going to say pop. Don't spend a lot of time figuring out what you're going to pick. It doesn't matter. If you grab the one that has the little TikTok logo, typically those are not royalty ones. So we're going to say funk it up. Sounds cool. I already know. Cool. Now look. Imagine me. Same thing with the audio. We need to string it over to the end, select it, and drag it back. So we're going to drag it right there. Okay, now we have a 10-second video. Awesome. Now we come up here, and I like to say 60 frames per second, export it. It exports it. Ta-da, we just made a video and didn't show our face at all. Okay, so hold on, let me stop this. So that's one way. Now, if you are serious about making money online, you should be branding yourself. You should be making videos of you, your face, you talking. You're going to resonate with somebody. Okay, get over the fact that you don't look right or you don't talk right or any of that. You learn to do those things by just doing it, getting out there and doing it every single day. You will get better and somebody will resonate with you. Somebody will be inspired by your journey. Somebody will see how bad you think you are and they'll think that it's awesome that you're getting yourself out there. Okay, and I can tell you this from experience, right? I know somebody who I think is very distinguished, who I look up to, and I was very scared that they were going to see my videos, right? And the next time I saw them, they had something good to say to me. They were like, "Hey, I see your videos that you're making out there. You're doing awesome. Keep going." Wow, that is not what I expected. So get over yourself if you think that, oh, I can't show my face because and I can't, and I do, and I'm scared of the camera. Sure, yes, if you say you are, but you want to know how you get over being scared of something, you go out there and do it, right? So use this, yes, but use it as a crutch to kind of get you going until you are brave enough to do it yourself. Or if you want to say make 3 videos a day, maybe make 1 or 2 of them that are this way, and then make another one of your face. And then set yourself a goal. Be like, okay, in a week, I'm going to make 2 of them on my face and only 1 of them where I'm using somebody else's video. And then in another week after that, they're all going to be me. And I'm only going to use that sparingly when I need, to get a quick video out there and I don't have a lot of time. But then you realize, hey, you know what? I can make a quick 10-second video of just about anything, right? Anything around the house, your kids, laundry, dishes, outside, a fire, clouds, whatever, driving. I don't do it while you're driving. That's not safe. But literally, you could grab your phone and just record anything, throw some text on there, and boom, you're done. Right? It doesn't take a lot to just make a free video. And like the words say in mine, you could be making your month's salary from some little video that you make that somebody watched that goes viral that pays you in one way or another. What I do is I promote affiliate marketing. So I get paid when somebody makes a purchase from a company that I promote, which is nice. I also make money from views on the videos that I post from YouTube, and the other platforms, which after you post enough videos every single day, you can make money that way. There's so many ways to make money online. Why aren't you doing it? I'm just telling you. Okay. Now, I do have a team that teaches all these things, that shows you exactly what you need to do every day. And if you stay focused and you're serious, you can be making $100,000 by next year. If you buckle down and you stay focused and you go at it and you're serious, yeah, you could be making 6 figures in as little as 12 months. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description of this video. Let's get you started. Get in on a team that is focused on making you successful. My team's goal is to get the very newest person profitable in as short amount of time as possible. And we do it every single day. So let's go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.